Hello, Namaste and Adab everyone. My name is Varun Mishra and I belong to the city of Nawabs, Lucknow. I am a third year law student of Symbiosis Law School, Noida and a volunteer for Fight for Animal Rights, that is FFAR India. We are currently working on the issue of culling of stray dogs in the state of Kerala. India is a home to about 30 million stray dogs, which amounts to one stray dog per 42 people. India has the maximum number of stray dogs than any other country according to some estimates. Delhi alone has between 2,60,000 to 4 lakh stray dogs. Ultimately, stray dogs in India are the source of rabies deaths, which is caused partially by the sheer number of stray dogs and partially by the poor treatment of rabies. Now, the main question which arises at this point of time is that why are stray dogs in India are much more common. The primary reason for this is that India has fewer government and NGO services that deal with stray dogs. Many countries have organizations like Animal Committee, the Humane Society, the SPCA, private shelters and rescue organizations. All of these interventions require a lot of resources. For this reason, India has fewer large-scale interventions and organizations to deal with stray dogs. Now I want to tell you guys about the case which we are working upon. In the state of Kerala, the government has decided to cull around 2.5 lakh of stray dogs through the decision of its chief minister, just to decrease the overpopulation caused by the stray dogs. A committee named as Dog Welfare Committee has been set up, whose sole purpose is to eradicate the dogs in the state. We have already filed a PIL against those illegal killings and are working in furtherance of it. Now, I want to tell you guys that killing stray dogs is not the solution to this problem. Just because they don't have homes, shelters or owners, that does not give us a right to kill them. We have the Prevention of Cruelty Against Animals Act for this. The Animal Welfare Board of India has been imposed with the duty of controlling overpopulation by way of ABC rules, which prescribes the rules by which we can kill the dogs, and also to ensure that no cruelty is being caused to stray dogs. As a father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi has also said that a society is judged by how they treat the animals. Many protests have been carried out not only in India but all over the world against these killings and culling of stray dogs. These states must ensure that they are well equipped with anti-rabies vaccinations and shelters, so that the people along with the stray dogs are safe and no harm is being inflicted to either of them. So guys, now I would like to conclude by saying that we need your support and to move ahead in this cause. So please do support us by joining our campaigns and writing to us. Thank you.